Okay, let's see functions. Okay. So distinct will give unique value for column as well as for the record row wise. If you go and see select star from EMP, okay, select distinct distinct EPDNO from EMP. Okay, if you give this, see only unique values you will get. Okay, instead of duplicate values. Okay. Likewise, if you have duplicate values in the column sides here, the record side, like EMP1, a lot of duplicates here. Okay, Alan is here, again another Alan is here, another Alan is here. Okay, just give. You want to get unique records by row wise. You need to give this distinct star from EMP1. See, only 6 rows are there. Totally, there are 24 records. There is each and every record are repeated 3 times. Okay. So how will you order this and check? See here, select star from EMP1. EMP1. Okay. Order by EMP number. If you give like this, you can see how many duplicates are there in this particular table. See, sorry, I'll remove this distinct class. See, 4 times Alan is there, 4 times Ward, 4 times Martin, 4 times Blake. Okay, so I want to take only unique set of records. You need to select distinct star from EMP number. EMP. Okay. This is the way you can use the distinct. Okay. In future, you will see how we can extensively use the distinct class. Okay. Remember, distinct will give only unique values. That's all. Okay. The operators. Operators, you have arithmetic operator, character operator, comparison operator, logical operators, and like operators. Okay. So plus, minus, and all you know. Okay. See here. Next off. Okay, I want to add 2 columns, sal plus sal, or sal plus 100 from EMP. You know this, right? Okay. So you can just add 100. Else you can give, okay, this is arithmetic operator. If you give plus, it is arithmetic operator. Okay. And our slash is division. This is also one of the arithmetic operator, division. Okay, likewise, you can do all the operations. Okay, you can use all these operations, plus, minus, slash, and star. Okay, and okay, this you can use it as examples. You can try this. Again, I'm telling you, select star from EMP. If you want to add a cell plus the null value, how will you add this?
Select cell plus commission, where commission from table name that employee EMP, where commission equal to null.
So
or null.
Okay. Equal to, so first of all, null cannot be compared. You can give equal to for comparison. Okay, you do is null or is not null.
Oh, yes.
So, okay, is not null. If you give this, you can add only the values that where commission is not null. Okay, so but I want to add all these things. Okay, how will you add this? See here. So 800 plus null should be 800, right? But how will you solve this issue? Okay, we will see this later. Okay, how to add a column which has a null records. Okay. Next. Okay, character operators, concatenation. Okay, this is one of the main operator we'll be using regularly in all the environments. Okay, so concatenation. Select. Okay, concat. So I'm going to concat EMP, ename and job. concat name comma job. Just merging, okay? EMP is here. Without space it came. If I want to give space, I will give this. Again, I can concat. Concat. Comma. See? You got this?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, generally people don't use concat. They use this symbol, which is also called as concatenation operator. Okay. So select ename
Double
concatenation
pipe.
a job. Like this you can give. Okay. Now I'll give one more task. Wait. See here. I want to print like Smith's salary is 800. So how will you do that? See, it should be like this. Yes, so my Smith's. Sorry. Likewise, I want to print for all the e-names, all the records. So how will you do
Oh,
this? Select. So you need
select
to give
in
the e-name.
double pipe
Yeah.
concatenate. In single quotes, salary is
Okay, good.
space is,
Salary is
and again the quotes to be closed, and
okay.
some
But I want yes, apostrophe yes. This is correct. How will you apostrophe yes? So for hmm,
again give concatenate.
okay.
Salary is select a name concatenate.
So for single quotes,
Um,
you need to give 4 single quotes. Okay. Yes. Smith's, right?
Sir.
Smith's salary is from EMP. That's it. Finish. Okay. So in single quotes, you need to give 4 single quotes. That's all. For single
Okay.
quotes, you need to give 4 single quotes. Okay, that's all. Okay. This is concatenation operation. Now comparison. Okay. Fine. Less than, greater than, equal to 8. Select. So I want to get the salary which is greater than 800 or 1000, 1500. Okay. So just be like this. Let's just maybe you can compare it like this where salary is greater than 1500. Okay. Like this. Or I want to take um, salary which is greater than 1500 and less than 2500. Okay. So you can give with underclass and operator you can give it. And salary is less than 2500. Right. Likewise, you can give these operators. You can give greater than equal to also, you can give C slash greater than, change greater than to, greater than equal to. This also you can give. See? Okay, you can give like this. This is the comparison operators. Okay. Now try this. Logical operator, and we give, and or not. Okay. This can give. I'll explain this. This, okay. So and we have seen, or also you can try and check. Okay. And or not. Not in. Okay. Not in. Select star from EMP where okay, I want to list down only the job. Okay, wait. Where select star from EMP. So I want to list down the names who are manager as well as clerk. So if I want to take only the clerk, what I will do? Select star from EMP where job equal to clerk. give it like this. Okay, but I want to have both clerk as well as a manager. Select star from EMP. Where job in. So since you are giving two number, that is two values. Okay, you need to give in class. If you are passing more than one argument or one value, okay. If you are going to pass more than one value, you need to give in class. Okay, in clerk.
Clerk.
And another one is salesman, right? Or manager, or anything you can do like this. So you can pass it using it. If I want to give, if I want to take records which is not in, this is not which is not equal to clerk or salesman, you can give not in class.
Okay.
Okay, this is the one. Between operators. Okay, we give greater than or equal to, right? If greater than salary is greater than 1,500 and salary is less than this one,
Yes, sir.
2,500. So either you can give it like this or you can give this also, like where EMP number, where salary between 1,500 and 2,500. Like this you can give anything is fine. Okay, like this you can give. There is the use of between.
Mm.
Between can be used for numbers as well as for dates. Okay, so for example, I want to list down. Okay, select star from EMP where so I can use higher date between. So I will use what 80, 17 December 80 and 23 May 87 81. Like this 81. Let's see. See, between these 2 days, you can take the data. Okay, 18, 81. So for this also, you can use between classes. Okay.
Mm.
Generally, between and between can be used for both. Okay, numbers as well as for dates. Okay, don't forget this.
Tech.
Okay, null operator we saw is null is not null. Okay, to take only the values.
Mm.
Like operator is okay. The main part. Most of the interviews they will ask this question. Like operators. Okay,
Like.
like
Okay,
operator.
sir.
So I want to. This is a wildcard character. You know, in Linux, right? We'll be using what star and star and question mark. Okay, likewise here we have this one. Okay,
Mm.
where job. So I want to take one job which start with C. Okay, where job like C and percentage. Percentage is one or more characters. So here the main thing is in the C percentage, right? C should, I mean, the word should start with C. The column
See.
should start with C. Okay, see here. And
Yes.
after C, you can have any number of characters. If one, two, or three, any number of characters you can have. So see what will happen? Only you got the clerk.
Clerk. Yeah.
Okay, fine. What I'm going to do is now clerk. Okay, I'll insert one more record here. Insert into MP values 100 comma L comma the job I will give CLERK underscore job CL underscore job something, okay, comma um, null comma 68 comma 1000 comma commission is 100 comma 20. That's it, right? Insert. Now, okay, good. Now, I want to list down the characters, okay, which start with S and ends with N. Or I want to list down the records which ends with N. Okay, select star from EMP, where,
Job
yeah, hello?
like
Yes, job like.
single quote
Uh,
percentage
uh,
and yes n.
that's it. Good. It came. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I want to print out the characters or records, which has only 5 characters.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Let's jump to EMP, where where job equal where job like
Like
5 characters. One,
and
two, three, four, five. Here underscore is single character. Okay.
sir.
Underscore represents single character. So 5 times you need to give. So you will get 5 characters here, right? See,
Sir.
but the thing is, why you didn't get this? One, two, three, four, five, six. This is the sixth character, right? Okay. No, I'll do
Mm.
it. You got it right. So underscore is single character.
Sir.
Okay. So for
Single
example,
character.
now I want to print out the. I want to list down uh, the records where uh, the second character should be A. Okay. The second
Sir.
character should be A. That's how you do this.
Mm. Where job like
Hmm.
single quotes so this one underscore
Very good.
percentage
Underscore
percent.
second character is A, right?
Okay, sir. Sir.
Then any number of characters can be there. Okay, that's
Oh,
it. Right? See?
oh,
Correct?
okay. Sir.
Now, okay. I want to print out the characters or let me data. Okay, size, from EMP, where I have only underscore.
Yes, sir. Uh,
Select star
select star from EMP
where
where
job like.
job like
Hmm.
uh, only underscore we need to show, right, sir?
Yeah. So can we give it like this? See, all the records came. Okay. So since underscore, okay, is a keyword here, okay, you can give it like this. So you should, this is considered as a keyword operator. Okay, this underscore is a keyword.
Okay,
So I don't want to consider this as a keyword. I want to make it as a normal character. For that, you need to give a escape character. Any escape character. See, you need to give like this escape. That's all. So whatever character which comes after slash, okay, that will consider as a escape character. That is a normal character instead of keyword. See here, clear, right? Clear?
okay, sir.
The underscore, see the slash after the slash anything if you give, and that should be considered as a, you should consider slash as a escape character. So it will escape one character after this. So this will be considered as a normal character. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It's all about the like
Oh,
operators.
okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Functions. Character functions. EMB. Lower upper unit cap. Okay. Select lower of, say I'll give EMB, comma, upper of EMP, comma, unit cap of EMP. Hey, sorry, man. Lower of job, I'll give you name. Okay. Come on. Upper of name. Come on. What is another one? Unit cap. Of name. Clear. See here, lower is smaller characters, upper is full of capital characters. Unit capital, the initial characters will be what? The initial
Yeah,
character will be
capital.
capital letter. Okay. So it can be like this.
Uh,
Say if you want to have one more example of unit cap. Okay. Hello, how are you? See, all the initial characters are in capital letters. Okay.
mm,
That is the one. Concat visa length view. Okay, this is here. Substring or in-string are regularly used, so make sure you know those things. I'll explain this. Helpad also it's fine. Trim will be using it. Okay. By loading the data to a table, okay, sometimes there will be a space. Space characters will be there in all the data. So you can remove those things using a trim characters. I'll explain you one by one. Okay. Concat visa, you'll see length. Select. I want to find the size of the column. So select length of job, comma job. This is a character. Okay, see, 5 characters, 8 characters. So it gives the length of each word. Okay. Now substring, very important function. So substring, I want to cut the characters from 1 to 3. So select star from select job, comma SAB substring of job, comma. So what I need to cut from first character from first character to 3 characters. So 1, comma 3 from EMP. Correct.
yeah,
So you
sir.
cut. Now I want to cut two to last. Okay. So how do you do this? Job, comma from 2, comma. So I don't know how many characters are there, right? Either you can give 10 or 20. What is the maximum you can give like this? Else, what you can do? So you can give the maximum length. It is length of job. Got it, right?
Yeah, sir.
This also you can give. Okay. So total length it will take. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or I want to cut length is this, that is fine. No. So this you can understand this, right?
Sir.
In no words, clear. Now in string. So in string will give you the position of a character in a word. So for example, here, okay, in this, I want to check where the A presents. The presence of A. See here, select job, comma, in string of, okay, job. In this, I want to take first A. Okay, so I want to search for A. Okay, from first position, I need to take A, right? From A. Okay, see, A is in second character, right? A
Sir.
is in second characters. Here also A is second character. Okay. Now, so it gives the position of the character. Whatever you give, it gives the position. Now I want a second occurrence. See, this is first occurrence, right? Now I want to take the second position, second A. The second occurrence of the A, right? So for that, you need to give 1, comma 2. Second, how many occurrence? Second occurrence. See, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A is in seventh position. This second occurrence. Correct?
Oh, okay, sir.
So this will give the second occurrence. Now, okay. So I want to, so mostly we'll be combining substring and string. Okay. So I'll give one small exercise. So I want to cut the character which is, I want a character, a single character, one character, or 2 characters after A. Okay. So for
Okay,
example, I
sir.
want to cut AL, AL. an like this. Okay. So I want to cut two characters, which is after a. So select
job,
okay job comma
substring,
substring of
job,
job.
comma.
Hmm.
Here we can we give a comma to sir?
No, substring you can give it like this. You need to search it, right? So for that, give string of job. First of all, don't give it like this. First you will take that position from where it is. Okay, just give select job comma instr. Okay, instr of. So what do you want? First year, right?
Sir.
Come on,
Job.
first year, right? From one you need to search. Got it. Okay, first year I got it. Now select job comma. From first year I need to get two characters. So this is the position of the first year. Okay, job comma substring of job comma. Okay, now you need to give the string. String. This is the first position, right? Where the position is. Comma, two characters I need to cut from EMP. That's it. See? CL. Actually, I want AL, right? Only A. I need to print only the A, right? I don't want CL. Okay. There are two ways you can handle this. Okay, you can give like this EMP. Okay. I don't want CL and all, correct? So how will you do this?
Sir.
You can you can take only the values which is greater than 0. Okay. So where instr is greater than 0.
Yeah.
Okay. Else you can give where again you can give this what
Substring,
substring is
substring
like
like
yeah,
a percentage.
that's very good. Finished. Clear?
Sir.
Okay. Also another method. Okay, you can give where so if you want to A, if you want A, you can easily take the A, right? So instead of this, you can give like this also where job like say percentage. That's all. See, it's all our idea. Okay, it's
Sir.
individual thinking. Okay, anyhow, but I want the result. You can use any method. Okay,
Sir.
okay. This is the way you can cut this. Okay, now I want to take this year. I have taken as a first position, right? Now I want to take second position from second year to two characters. So how will you do this?
Then again, select job, in string,
Okay,
instr,
okay, 1 comma 2 you will give, right? Second
uh,
position. Instead,
1 comma
okay,
2
comma 2. Okay, 1 2. Okay, from EMP. That's fine.
from the private job.
Okay, AN. Okay, see AN, AR, AG, second A,
Sir.
right? AN, AG. It came like this. Now, okay, I want to cut only that three characters. Okay, only three characters. I don't want two characters.
Okay,
See,
sir.
the last year, right? This year, I want to print MAN. Here, also NAG I need to get. You got it, right?
Sir.
Here you have A. Okay, I want MAN, not AN. I want the before character. Actually, I want the character which is before A. Okay, that also I want. Okay, so for this, how will you do? So here, okay, first of all, we need to take three characters, correct? Before that, okay, what is the position of A? Wait, we'll see this. Come on. And I'll give only the inst here. That will be fine. Okay. Okay. Now AN is there. Fine. Okay. This is in sound position. Okay. A is in sound position. But I want the position from 6 to 9,
8.
correct? I want to take from 6, correct?
Sir.
This is in 7th position. I want to take from 6. And here I want to take it from the MA,
That is
NAG, correct? From 3 I
sir.
need to cut. So what I need to do is from 6 means 7 minus 1 is 6, correct? 4 minus 1 is 3.
Sir.
So just give minus 1, that's it. So go here. From the position, it's searching, right? So what is the position?
So 1, 2.
Minus 1, that's all. Clear? See, I got all M, N, whatever it is. But I want MA, 3 characters I need to cut instead of 2 characters. So go to 3 here.
1,
Got it? Man, NAG, nag, man, nag. So NAL, analyst. You got it, right?
sir.
Okay, so there is the use of substring and instring, L pad. Okay. Any doubts? Practice this, okay?
Sir.
Select job, comma, L pad of job, comma, start with the syntax from EMP. Organ mistake 10, comma. You just fill the characters with empty spaces. See that if you give 10, it will consider the say it will take a box with 10 boxes. Okay. I mean, what do you say? Some 10 space. Totally it will see totally what is how much length is this? 5. Remaining 5 will be filled with 5 stars.
Okay. Sir.
If you give 20, if you give 20, 15 will be filled with star and the remaining will be the characters like this. Okay.
Sir.
Likewise, you can give RPAD. Okay, right hand side will fill. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. That's all. Okay, say for example, if I give space, then okay, there is space, but you can't see it, right? So how will you check that? So by using length, you can check anything is there or not. Length of
Job.
correct. Clear, right? So all are 10 characters. So now I can trim it if you want. See here, the same length. Okay, I can give trim command. A comma trim off this one. If we give this, okay, now it will trim it. See, now it consider all the columns, all the records will be having spaces now. Okay, so after trimming, let's see what will be the size length of GTH. How many? 1, 2, 3. Okay. See, this is okay without trim. Okay, I'm giving RPAD without trim. It's totally taking 10 characters. Now here it takes 10 characters, but I have trimmed it. Trimmed it removes all the space. Trim will remove all the empty spaces. Then you're checking the length and it's the normal values. Clear? It removes all the space. Okay, I'll give you the exercise with some Excel sheets and all, like so that while loading the data into it, you'll be using those things. Okay, so I'll give this. Lower upper. Okay, all these examples are given here. You can try this. Str length, character, and replace. This now you can check it out. Replace. If you give this replace SDBT space T, it will replace that T and tech. Okay, so the T will be replaced with tech. So it will be SDB tech. Okay. Likewise, okay, wait. Select job, comma. I'll replace sales. Okay, I'll replace job. Okay, where salesman, a salesman. Okay, should be replaced with sales should be with Shakti. Yes, yeah, Shakti. Let's see here now. Shaktiman. Okay, salesman became Shaktiman now. Clear? Just replacing it.
Sir. Yeah.
Okay, like just
Okay.
translate. Okay, so select job, comma, translate job where if it is A and A, okay, and K, salesman, that is BN to S and D something, okay, from A and B. So see wherever there is A, it's converted to S, okay, S here, right? Wherever there is EM, it changed to D, SD. A is changed. What is the AL? Instead of this, we'll take one. Right. We'll take this example then. AC is converted to DB. Okay. SA is converted to S. You got it right? This A is converted to S. Clear?
So.
Okay. And N is converted to D. Right?
Yes.
Like this. Okay. Okay. Trim G from gold means like remove G. It removes the G from this one. That's all. Okay. So this you can practice and
Sir, what is the difference between what is the difference between this replace and translate, sir?
okay. See, this single character is totally replaced with a complete this character. There's no change. Okay. But here, each and every character will check. A will be replaced by D, C will be replaced by B, like that. You got it right?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Here, if there is any
Okay,
D,
okay.
it
It
will
will
change.
check one by
Sorry?
it will check one by one character.
Yeah, it will
In
check one by one and do it. Yeah, that's true. Clear?
replace means it totally replace the whatever character we are giving, totally replace with another character. Like
Exactly. Bingo.
okay,
Okay.
understood.
Yeah. Remove G from old. Just it removes the character G from old. Give the output old. That's all. ASCII, you know, right? ASCII of A63. It's okay. The ASCII value, ANSI value. Okay, just change it. Okay, so if you select ASCII of A from dual, they give the exact value of A, ASCII value of A. That's all. Okay. Seal, floor, round, power, square root, modern sign. Seal. Okay. Seal will cover it. Generally, seal is used to cover, right? See here. First, I'll take round. Okay. Select round of 2.5. Well, so it gives 3. If I give a round of 2.4, okay, it will take only 2. See? So it take say it will give the it will take the entire value. So for example, 1 will be cut into 2, zero point 0.5, zero point 0.5. So if it is greater than or equal to 0.5, it will take the next value. If it is less than 0.5, it will take the previous value. That is the concept of round. Clear?
Sir.
Okay, but if you give like this, round of 2.2, comma, seal of 2.4, or even 1. Okay, come on. Floor of 2.6, 2.8 from dual. Here, round is fine. Okay, since it is not more than 5 or equal to 5, it's taking only the previous value. This two value. Seal will just seal it, whatever number is there. Okay, 2.1, 2.2, 2.01, anything is there. Just cover it with the next number. So 3. Okay, floor will cut it down. Okay. Any number, even if you give 2.9, it will not take 3. 2.1 or 2.129, anything is there, it will just cut it. It will give only the previous value, the initial value. Clear?
Oh,
That is the optimal flow.
yes, sir.
Okay. Round we saw power 10 into 10, that is power. So power of 2.2, 4. So more square root you can check. Mod will give the remainder, right? Select. So mod of, okay, 4, 2. What will be the answer for this? Will give the remainder value. So what is the remainder for if you divide 4 by 2?
Sir.
0. Correct?
Remainders,
Remainder will be 0.
nothing will come,
It is
sir.
divisible, right? It is 4 can be divided by 2.
2, 0, 0. Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
If you divide
Sir.
3, okay, what will happen?
2, yes, sir.
You will get remainder
Remainder 0.
1. Right? 2 1 side, remainder will be 1. Okay, so it shows it will give the remainder value. Right?
Then 1.
Any doubts? Any doubts in this?
Yes, sir.
Your voice is breaking. Okay. Let it be.
Sir.
Okay. Date function. Okay. Main things is time stamp. Okay. Select.
Clear.
Dual. This is it. Okay. You see, always the sysdate will carry the time also with that. Okay. So if you want to see with the timing, okay, there are two things you can set. Okay. One is you can set this. For all the dates you want to see, you can set this in session level. It's a common parameter. Alter session set nls underscore date underscore format equal to dd hyphen mon hyphen colon hh colon hh24. It's 24 format. What I'm doing. Okay. Okay. Wherever date comes, it will show with time. Now see here, this date. Well, see, select star from EMP, it will show with the time format. There is no time entered here, so it didn't show. So generally, it will show only with the times. Okay. Now, this one method else you can use. Date can be converted using character. Okay, 2 underscore. Yeah, this is another method. Okay. Sys date, comma, in which format you want to see the date. I want to say month, TD, YYYY, colon, HH, hours, MI, colon, SS. So if you want to see this, you can do like this. This is another method. Okay. See, the format is changed. Not like this,
Yes, sir.
shown like this. Okay. Okay. So this sysdate is a normal pseudo column. Okay. Like this is time we can use, and this is for to show GM total ratio. Okay. Yes. Months between, okay, this is date functions. Okay. Yeah. So I want to check selection from EMP. Okay. Here, I want to list down the hire date. Okay. Or I want to check the experience. Okay. I'll just change this. Okay. Select hire date, comma, months between months, underscore, months between hire date, comma, sys date. Or you can use sys date, comma, hire date. Everything is fine. Sys date, comma, hire date from AMP. Okay. So many months we have, and if you want to see the experience, just divide the months divided by 12. So you'll get the experience. How many years of experience they have? 12 from EMP. Okay. So 40 years of experience, 39 years like this. Or if you want to see your current date, current what age, okay, you can use like this. Select months between, okay, 29, okay, June 2008, okay, comma, this is date. This is months between your date and current date. But by 12 will be giving an age experience. So
Okay.
actually, SSD should come front. So that's the reason we're getting minus. Okay, SSD should come front, and I should give the date after that. The recent date should be here. Okay, then only we'll get the positive values. Okay, 6 years.
Okay.
Okay, confusement, particularly. Sorry, 12. I put it here. Give you experience, right? So 12 years of age. Okay.
Okay.
Can you do L for single? Oh, I'm confused. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So add months. Okay. No. Okay. See, select add months. This is date, comma, add months of this date with 3. I'm going to add 3 months. Okay, from there. So 18 March 2021. After 3 months, you'll have this value. Clear? Just adding 3 months
Okay.
to this. So last date. Okay. So what is the last date of that month? Okay. Select this is date, comma. Last date, right? Last day. Last day is Thursday. Okay. Last day of okay. YEMP.
Do it.
So December. So this month, the last day is 31st. Okay. Like if I say, for example, if I give a sys date plus 1, what will happen? So next month's last date will come. Okay.
Mm.
Sorry. Plus 30 next month. Okay. Adding 10 days. 30 next month. So January end will come. Okay. After 30 days. Clear, right?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, sir.
Last day. Another one is next day. Okay. Next day is what is the next Wednesday date? Okay, like this. Select. What is next day? Next Wednesday or next Thursday or next Sunday. When is that? Okay. Undual. Okay. On 20th December, right? 20th December will be the Sunday. Right? This is the one. Like this. Okay. This one next day. Okay. You practice those things. round off date with the year's perspective. Okay, you can check this. Okay, when you compare with the day, okay, with the date. So see in round what we did, round off. Okay, in value 1, it will take 0.5. If you divide this, 0.5 will be taken. Right? That is the threshold. If it is greater than zero point 0.5, greater than or equal to 0.5, you take the next value. Okay. If you give less than 0.5, it will take the minimum value. 1 second, man. Okay. So let's consider this. Last time we saw it, right? Select round off 2.5 we gave. So what will come? It will come 3, right? Because greater than or equal to 0.5, it will take the next value. If it is less than what? 0.5, it will take the previous value. That is 2 will be small value.
Previous. Mm.
So likewise, in the year, there is you have 12 months. It will take after June 1, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. From after July 1 or from June 1, it will consider round means it will take the after that is the December's value, last value, like this. Okay. That is the border. Now let's see. Okay, select sys date. Here's from there. Let's see what happens. This is December. This is since it is December, it gives January 1 as the next year's it will take. Okay. In case if I give sys date
Sir.
say how many months will take. So 6 months, I will just cut this. Okay. Come on, round off sys date minus 6. Okay, come on, yeah. Good. See, still what happens?
Still it's 21.
It's not 6 days, it's 6 months, right? 6, 3, 6, this is 18. 6 months, 180.
180.
What is the error? Okay, double, okay, while copying, wrongly copied. Okay, see, it takes Jan 2020. Clear? Take the first
Sir.
one, like this. You can check this. So this is the concept of round. Okay, like monthly also you can round. Okay, so if you give date, okay, if it is more than 15, after 15th it will take the last day. If it is less than 15, it will take the first day, like this. If you want, you can check this. Now you will get what is this today? 18th. So this month end will come, right? 01 Jan 2020. Okay, and this month ends. Okay, if you give less than, okay, so what is this today? It is 18, right? I'll give 18 minus 4. This is minus 4 days, right? Come on, a round off. So date minus 4 should be the first day. Minus 4. Come on. See, 1st December it has taken. This month's first week, correct?
Sir.
You got it, right? So the border will be 15th. That is like this. Okay. So you can check these things.
Sir.
Okay. Next, truncate. Select star from EMP. Sorry. What do you say? Sys date from dual. If you give like this, you can cut this. Select. Okay. Sys date. I want to trim out the data. That is date. You can give trunk. Okay, if you do the, it will remove the times totally. Okay, so this is it. Yeah. See, it's gone. Okay. So why you are getting 0, 0, 0, 0? Any idea?
Already we set a format like MMYY,
Wonderful. Very good.
MMDD.
That is the reason. Very good. Let us see. Set. That's it. If you do like this, now it will correct like this. Trunk of system. Clear? Generally into sequencing. Then only you can see this information. That's okay. SQL semicolon SS. This one method. Another method is what? Remove HS24 colon MI colon SS, right? Okay. Select sysdate, command trunk of sysdate. Should cut this. Okay. Fine. Remove the times. Now, hours. This. Trunk is done. Okay. 2char, 2date, and 2 number. Listen. This 2char and 2date you'll be using regularly in the environments. Okay. So whenever you want to convert a date to character or character to date, you can't convert date to date. Okay, you can give 2date of 2date. See, 2date of sysdate you can give. So date format. Okay, so you can't convert like this. You can convert a date to character or character to date. Okay, see, select. This is a date format, right? So I want to take select 2 underscore care of. Okay, HARE date. In which format you want, you can print it. Amount slash dd slash y from MP. So to change the format, you can use this. Okay. Likewise, I want to give 2date. I want to convert the character to 2date. 2 underscore date of. Okay. Which one? This one. Sorry. This is this format, right? So I want to convert. Okay. We should cut the same format. So what is the command we give? It's W. So EMM slash DD slash that's it. The same format you need to give. Okay, what are the format you have here, right? The character, this character should be given as the same format.
No, sir.
Okay, then only it will convert. Else not take. So we are getting this because of the endless
Okay.
format. You're getting this information. Yeah. So this is converted to
Yes, sir.
date format. Since you are printing like this, you have given the endless date format. It's showing the date like this. Clear? That's all.
Okay.
Yeah. 2 number is very simple. Okay, select star from EMP. So say for example, this is 1 is a character, right? String value. I want to change number means just give 2 underscore number. I'll give some exercises in that you will see a lot of things. Okay? Like this, sorry. You can convert this to number. Like this you can give. Okay. Okay. 2char. These things you saw. 2 number, done miscellaneous. Main thing. Null, NVL, NVL2, NLF, coalesce, decode, case, and V size. Okay. We'll, these functions we'll see tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Wait 1 second. We'll then we have group by functions also. That's all. Okay. We'll complete. We'll try to complete this now. 1 second. Do you have time, right? We'll fix this.
Sir.
Select star from EMP. So I want to add sal plus com. Sal comma com comma from EMP, right? So I want to add sal and commission. A comma cell plus commission. Okay. So since there is null columns, you can't add this. So what I'm going to do is select cell, comma, comma, okay, commission, comma, cell plus NVL of, one second now. Okay. No. So NVL, right? So start from EMP. Select cell, comma, commission, comma, cell, or I'll give one thing. Commission, I want to see wherever there is null, I want to replace it with 0 for the if NVL. Use the NVL function for this NVL. Okay, which column you need to take? Commission. Commission. If commission is null, okay, then make it as 0. Else use the commission. That's all. Okay. See here from EMP now. So wherever there is null, it replaces with the commission. Now you can add this easily. So 0 can be compared. I mean, you can manipulate it. Okay, so you cell plus NVL of 0. That's all. Done. Clear. So this is the way you can add this. This is the use of NVL. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Okay. NVL2. Commission, comma, tab, right? So we have 3 parameters for this. So let's see this. Before that, I'll give NVL 2, comma, tab. It's also a condition class. Okay. If you have a what? If it is null, print the second expression. If it is not null, print the first expression. It's like that. Okay. So see here, if there is null, it uses the second operation. Okay. If there is nothing value, no values, it will just give what 0. The first expression is used. You know what I'm going to do is instead of this, I'll just give commission because I have the value, right? So I will give commission. Okay, that's all. Clear. It is also like what NVL only, but see here, but it takes 3 arguments. Okay, if you have any value, it uses the same value. If it is null, use the command whatever we gave, or you can use any star A, star B, B star B, anything you can give. You can just do any manipulation with it. It uses the second expression. Okay, first argument, third argument. It uses if it is null, it uses third argument. If it is not null, it uses the second argument. That's all. That is NVL2. Okay, and null if in you well if right. Okay, if first two, if it is two arguments are same, it gives null, right? Okay, null if. See, if two arguments are same, okay, it gives null value. Else it will give the some value. See here. What instead of this, all are null. So what I'm going to do is sal comma sal. Okay. If both the values are same, so it gives null. If I will give something called as insert +1 to give the same value, the first expression will be displayed. Okay. See here. It compares the two volumes. If both are equal, it gives null. If it is not equal, it gives the first expression or the second expression. Clear? In the null if, okay, again I'm telling you. So it will compare these two parameters. If both are equal, it gives null. If it is
Okay, sir.
not equal, it just prints the first expression. That's all. Clear?
Okay, sir.
That is all. I used to. Okay. This is almost same like NVL. Okay. Coalesce sal comma plus co. Relation 0. Okay. So wherever there is null, it prints the 0, else it gives the result. That is for coalesce. It's like almost like NVL only. Okay.
Okay.
Good point. Yes. Okay. Now,
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
yeah.
Sir, show me the PPT. That NV, go to that coalesce. Okay. If null is not there, it is not. It will show 0 only, right,
Yeah.
sir?
If it is null,
If
it's
null is there,
wherever there is null, it shows 0. Whatever the second expression you're giving, it will take it.
oh, okay, okay, sir.
Else it will give the first expression.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Excuse me. One. Okay. Now, okay, there are two main functions, decode and case. Both are almost same. Both are same, but case is an expression and decode is a function. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, if they have job, right? Select job, comma. So if it is clerk, decode. Okay. Okay. For clerk, I'll be giving salary greater than, sorry, I'll add 500 to the salary. Okay. If it is salesman, I'll give 1,000 rupees. If it is manager, I'll give say 2,000 rupees. Say clerk 500, salesman 1,000, and manager 2,000, remaining 10,000. Okay, this is the concept. If check for job, it's like if then else condition. If job is clerk, right?
Yes.
Then say salary 500 rupees given, right? Come on. If salesman, sal plus 1,000, right? And if it is manager, I'm giving what 10,000 or 5,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. We'll say 2,000 plus 2,000, some amount. Okay, now for all others 10,000 rupees. Okay, sal plus 2,000. Come on, sal. Maybe. Okay, see for clerk he's getting generally he got 800 plus 500. Correct. For 2,600, 1,000. Okay, like this you can use. Any doubts on this?
No, sir.
Okay, the same thing we will be doing in case statement. Case what? Job. Okay. When, okay, when it is clerk, okay, then salary plus 500. Okay. When salesman, then salary plus 1,000. When,
Manager.
then I think when we should give, right? Let me check. Yeah, when we should give. Okay. Then salary plus 1,000. Else, that's all. Okay. And from comma sal from EMP, right? So this is a big, say this is very hard, like what it's a very big thing, right? The title is very long. So I want to change the title. What do? You need to give an alias name for this. Just give alias name. That's
like
it.
alias.
Yeah. Bonus. You can give like this. Okay. Any doubts on this?
No, sir.
This for case. Okay. So we saw decode also. Case.
Oh.
Yeah. Greatest of this you can see like a 10, 20. So if we give this like which one is greatest will show. Likewise, least of this you can see here.
Please.
I want to give which one is greatest. Sal, comma. Greatest
So
of.
select spelling.
Oh, sorry.
See.
Sorry. Greatest of. Sal, comma.
No.
Sal plus 100. Comma. Sal plus 1000. MP. Right. So which one is greatest will show. Clear? In among three. Plus 800 plus 2000 is greater, right? So it shows the greatest one. Clear?
Oh, okay.
Or if you want to see it properly, you can do like this: cell, comma, cell plus 100, comma, cell plus 2000, comma, this one. So it will be easy to check. Clear? So among in this line, this is the greatest, so it shows the greatest one. So likewise, you can see the least. Okay. Select user from dual show as what user I have connected. You can also give show user. Okay. V size will give the bytes in size, like select V size of email from EMP. Like this size will show. Okay, that is the use of V size. UID or user ID will show. Okay, what is the scarce user ID will show. Okay, this is normal aggregate function, the main thing. Okay, let me compare this now. Just we'll be using this also regularly, the group by functions. Let's see. EMP. Now, say for all departments, I have 20, 10, 20, 30 departments are there, right? We will take this as example. Better select star from everyone. Only these things. So I want to know how much amount I'm giving to department. Okay. Select, say, PP. Or we'll do one thing. I want to know how many managers or how many clerks are there. Right now, like this. Come, give job. Okay. So this is the job. I want to know how many clerks or how many salesmen are there. So give count of staff from EMP. So this is a group by function, and obviously you should give group by. Without this, you can go. You can give say you give, let's say, the single group by function. So you need to give group by here. Always, if you use any group by or something with some other column name, okay. So this column name should be grouped. There. No need of anywhere class. Just group by job. That's it. Okay. So clerk we have 4, salesman 4, president 1, manager 3, and analyst 2. Likewise, so I want to give, so for each department, okay, or we'll do one thing. For salesman, how much total amount I'm allocating. For clerk, how much salary I'm giving totally, total of amount. Okay. So for this, what will you do? Come on. Sum of, right? Sum of salary. If you use sal, from EMP, so I don't like, okay, so I'll give order by. No, you can see it is easy for us to see. 2 analyst, so totally 6,000 rupees. So I need to sum it up, right? So for this, select sum of sal from EMP. So you can't give it because you're using a function, aggregate function. So give group by job. That's all. Whatever you give here, that is, except this, if any columns you give, you need to give that. Okay. So for total clerk, I'm giving this much amount. For salesman, I'm giving like this. Okay. So now I want to list down which department I'm giving more. Okay. So group by job or which department or list out the departments where I'm paying more than 5,000 rupees. Okay, so you can give like this. Here you can just give see where class you can give because this depends on the aggregation function. So you need to give having instead of where you need to give having sum of cell greater than 5,000 or greater than equal to 5,000, right? Yeah.
No, sir.
So this is missed.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want to order this. Okay. See, I want to order this. Order by what? Two you can give for this samosa. Say this is in order. Or you can give order by this. Anything is fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Or you can give one. Anything is fine. Or one. Come on. Okay. This will see
Sir,
efficiency.
can we represent the title instead of one or two?
100% you can give. See?
Order by job
Yeah, you can give.
also it will take. Okay, okay, sir.
This is you'll try this order by samosa. So, okay.
Yes, sir.
It's also possible. So that's it on this part. Having class, order by class.
Um,
Done. Okay. Wait, I will stop this.